Man, I see some of y'all having a hard time calling in, trying to remove those hard inquiries off your credit report. TransUnion's giving you a hard time, sometimes Experian, and a lot of times Equifax. Well, I'm gonna show you what to do without even calling nobody. So with that being said, you already know what time it is. Let's get right into it. What's up, family? I'm back with another one. Hey, if you're new to the channel, welcome to the family. So in today's class, we're going to talk about how to remove those hard inquiries in the next 7 days. So what you got to do, you got to grab a pen, go get some paper, and you got to get you something to drink. Cause class is going to be a good one. Hold up, wait, before I give you that step-by-step lesson, right? Yo, I have a problem and I need y'all help, family, right? So we have spammers, we have scammers, we have people that's impersonating me, right? So if you don't see at thecreditteam.org, what I mean by that is if it's not Dave at thecreditteam.org, Michael at thecreditteam.org, support or info at thecreditteam.org, do not respond to them, right? Because they got people that have Gmail, these scammers and these different type of people. And I want to make sure y'all not getting a scam out of y'all and not receiving no digital product or whatever you order from me because somebody scammed you. They're trying to impersonate me. So if you see them, support them, say they fraud, and just just help me out because I really want to help y'all, give y'all this game, and I don't want nobody taking y'all money and saying I'll take your money, but I really didn't. So just make sure you report them, hit them up. Hey, you fraud. I'm gonna try to remove them. I'm trying to do my best. So just help me out. All right, let's get into this lesson. All right, welcome to today's lesson, right? So the first thing you need to do is make sure you have your credit report, right? Now, whatever credit report you have, just make sure you find the part that says inquiries because this is what we need, right? Now, when it comes to inquiries, I saw a lot of comments saying, yo, do you need an account number? No, only thing you need is the name, and if they do ask you for the date, you can put the date. However, inquiries don't have an account number, so just grab the name, like right here. Let me see if I can make this bigger for y'all. So make it a little bit bigger. So as you can see right here, the name, boom. Y'all ain't playing. I want to make sure y'all see this. So right here, I'm gonna grab this. All right, now if it's attached to a credit card, right? You don't want to mess with it. If you didn't get approved for that credit card, then of course you want to remove it, right? And of course, if you get an auto loan, if you go apply for a car and they hit you up with 1,000 hard inquiries, we got to get those removed. So go get your credit report, right? You can use Credit Karma now. However, just remember, Credit Karma only shows TransUnion, Equifax, right? So we need Experian, we need all three. So make sure you grab a credit report. They can give you all three. However, if you don't have it, hey, go ahead, take action, right? I don't want you to not take action. So grab the hard inquiries, right? Now, after you get these hard inquiries, here's what you want to do next. You want to go to identitytheft.gov. And the reason why you want to go here is because according to the FCRA, Fair Credit Reporting Act, right? Without your written permission, nothing can be furnished on your credit report without you written consent, right? So if you didn't give consent, it can't be furnished on your credit report because that's a violation. That's basically identity theft. They stole your information. They put it on there without you telling them they can, right? So then what you want to do is I want to report another type of identity theft. You want to click on credit cards, and then you want to go ahead and click on continue. Now, once you do that, bam, open up fraudulent accounts. Now, you're not going to go ahead and fill all that out. You're going to skip over it, right? Because what you want to do is get to the part where it says personal information. So you're going to click on continue, and then you're going to go ahead and put your personal information in. First name, middle name, last name, United States, telephone number, click on mobile, put your email address, confirm email address, put your date of birth, current address, right? No, right? And then what you're gonna do is click on next, right? After you fill out everything. So here's what you wanna do, right? Put your first name, middle name, last name, right? United States, like I said before, bam, put your phone number, click on mobile, make sure you put your correct phone number, right? You wanna add a secondary number, just add it in if you want to. Put your email address, consumer.deletehardinquiries.com, myself, right? Date of birth, put your date of birth, Also put your street address, 123 Main Street, city, state, and then put how long you might be living there, and then go ahead and then you're gonna click on continue. Now, did you know about this? No. Continue. Have you reviewed your credit report, right? Yes. Were there any fraudulent accounts on your credit report? No. Right? Was there any personal information wrong on your credit report? You can put there, but it's up to you. All right, now here's where you want to put your hard inquiries right here, right? So company name, I'm gonna go ahead and grab that. Rick Grow, step by step. I got y'all, right? All right, boom. You only can put up to 3 at a time. Then you want to put the rest and personal information. I'll show you where to put the rest at. I'm gonna click on that. Let's go ahead and grab them. Like I said before, if it's attached, those hard inquiries attached to a credit card, you don't want to mess with them. However, if it's a personal loan, student loan, a car loan, a mortgage, anything besides a credit card, right? It can come off, right? They're not gonna come get your car. They're not gonna come get your house if you move the hard inquiry, right? But sometimes they will close your credit card account. So just make sure you just get past that. Then you want to click on continue. Now here's the personal statement I was talking about. So you just want to add the extra hard inquiries that you didn't do, right? So it's not allowing me to copy and paste, but you get it, right? Put it right copy all the hard inquiries you didn't do, and then put it in personal statement. And then once you do that, you're gonna click on continue. Now, once you click on continue, go ahead and review everything, right? Make sure it's correct. And then you want to click on yes, I understand. And you're going to click on finalize. No, submit without account, submit or credit with account, right? Continue, phone numbers like text message or phone call, then get my code, they're going to send your code. And then you're going to be able to download this report. Now, make sure you download it, save it to your desktop, laptop, right? To your phone, whatever you have to do, because what you want to do next is we got to go to our best friends, right? So we're gonna go to our favorite friends, which is the CFPB. If you didn't know, these people are your friends, right? Because they are helping you when it comes to when the credit bureaus violate your rights. Now, everything don't come off on the first round. I know you might be tired of them. However, they do help most of the time. Now, once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and click on. As you can see, the website was down, right? So I'm basically gonna walk you through it step by step in my head and walk you through the process. So once you get to the, once it's not down no more, you're gonna click on submit a complaint and you're gonna click on start a new complaint, right? Once you click on start a new complaint, you're gonna say, you're gonna click on credit reporting. You're gonna go ahead and click on you're gonna click on credit report, credit reporting again, and then you're gonna click on improper use. Once you click on improper use of credit report, then you wanna go ahead and click on next. And then you're gonna go ahead, yes, you already tried to fix this problem, and then click on next again. Now, after you get to the part where it says what's going on, what happened, what kind of resolution you want, and the part where it says what's going on, say, tell them what actually happened, right? When you went to the car dealership, you say you're trying to apply for a car. They said they're gonna do only Kia, right? Kia's gonna pull my credit report. However, it was 15,000 hard inquiries. So what you want to do is list all 15,000 hard inquiries. I'm just being dramatic. However, list all 20 or 30 hard inquiries, right? Now, when you do after that, when you put all the hard inquiries down, tell them what happened, and then you want to click on what your resolution want to be. You're going to say delete hard inquiries. Now, before you click next, right? If you want to publish, go ahead and click on publish. If you don't want to publish, you don't have to publish, right? But before you click next, attachment, right? There's going to be an attachment button. Now, once you click on that attachment button, make sure you upload that identity theft.gov report, right? The FTC report, right? So upload that identity theft, the one that you just did, upload it, attach it. Now, once you click on attach, you're gonna click on next. Now, once you click on next, what's basically gonna happen is they're gonna ask you what companies do you wanna send this to. So you're gonna type in Experian should pop up. Click on it, put your personal information on, like for your last four, first and last name, and date of birth, right? Do all 3 of those. The next person do you want to submit this to somebody else? Click on yes, and do You're gonna do TransUnion. Do the same thing I said before, and then you're gonna do Equifax, right? The same thing, you're gonna go through the process, right? I'm sorry that the site was down. I want to walk you through it. Hey, I just gave you the step-by-step lesson, right? I just showed you how to remove your hard inquiries in the next 7 days. Watch them come off without even making a phone call. Now, if they don't come off in the next 7 days, hey, just give it a little bit of time, right? Sometimes it takes patience, and you might start seeing them come off like clockwork. Now, here's what you want to do. If you're having a hard time removing those negative items, those collections, those repossessions, those whatever you have, a bankruptcy, personal information, whatever you have on your credit report, and it's giving you a hard time to remove, you want to watch this video right here. Watch this video right here, and I'm gonna show you how to slap them things off.